Hey guys, this is Liam. This is another video from tinnitus treatment, and today I'm going to talk to you about tinnitus relief and how to get relief from tinnitus. Let's do it. But the thing is, tinnitus is just a symptom, which is good news because it means that if you fix the actual problem which is causing tinnitus, you can stop tinnitus. Now, you can get tinnitus one of 4 ways. Those 4 ways are being overstressed for long amounts of time, having noise trauma to your ears, muscle strain in your neck, which is pulling down on your jaw and actually causing your ears to ring because they're just inflamed and there's just pressure on your eardrums. And the 4th one is diet. So if you're eating bad things, eating lots of sugar, lots of caffeine, lots of alcohol, lots of bread, or you've had antibiotics or prescription drugs like painkillers and antidepressants. All these things cause tinnitus. So let's get into those 4 things. So the first thing is stress. So this is about tinnitus relief. So how to get relief from tinnitus. We're really going to attack the underlying thing. It doesn't matter how you got tinnitus, just know that you can fix it. First thing is stress and diet are very, very highly connected. They're intertwined. So your gut health, as you've probably seen in a million TED Talks, your gut health is actually connected to your sense of stress, your sense of well-being, your ability to sleep, your capacity to handle stress. You're only allowed to drink water. If you have tinnitus, you're only allowed to drink water from now on. Clean water, not tap water. Tap water is bullshit. You can't have caffeine, you can't have alcohol, you can't have sugar, you can't have processed foods. All this advice I give you is merely optional for you to take. Totally optional, but it does cure tinnitus. It's a tinnitus relief, okay? The next thing is muscle relief, and this is really important too. This is probably the easiest thing to reduce the symptoms of tinnitus, but it hurts a lot. So this is this is just a ball, a really hard blue, I think it's a squash ball or something. So what you want to do with this is put it, this is totally safe by the way, it's completely legit. It's called myofascial release. It releases the tendons and muscles that pull down on your jaw, which causes your ears to get inflamed. It causes tinnitus. Who would have thought, okay? So put it in the side here, and you're going to want to actually lay on the ground. What will happen is if you do have a problem, it's going to really, really hurt. That's a good sign, but don't do it too hard. Don't cause any bruising or anything like that. When you push it, you want to do this on the ground, by the way, or you can just do it sit here if you want, if it's really sore. Maybe just start like this, but what you're going to feel is you're going to start to feel pulling under your arm here and in your back, which means that your muscles and tendons, so your myofascia is really, really tight, and it's a good chance that when you're sleeping like this. The last thing we're going to talk about is noise trauma, because we've done diet, stress. Diet and stress is so related, it's a joke. It's practically the same thing, okay? So stop eating crap. In terms of what you can eat, I'm going to put a picture below here. So this is what you should be eating. There's no meat. You can eat meat, it's fine, as long as it's from the highest quality fucking butcher that you basically can't even afford. That's where you need to go to get meat. Make sure it's beef as well. Fatty meat is what you want. You should only be eating really, really healthy fruit and vegetables. You need to give your ears a rest. So give your ears a rest while you're fixing everything else in your body. These things are going to give you relief. Now, the thing is, there's a way in which you have to do them, and it's not complicated, but you need it written down. So what I've done for you guys is if you click the link below this video, it's going to take you to my website where you can download a 3-week guide, which is going to show you what to eat, how to release the muscles in your neck. Practically anything is fixable if you just turn your life on its head. I guarantee you if you have tinnitus, your diet and your lifestyle is a piece of shit, okay? It's easy to fix. Don't listen to anyone who says you can't fix it. That's the end of this video, guys. This is about tinnitus relief.